evening and welcome, my dear viewers. In my hands today is the annual report of something called the Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust. The chairperson of this trust is Sonia Gandhi, and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra are trustees. What this means is they control the money, they receive the money, they take the money. In the year I mentioned, one of the major donors to Sonia Gandhi is something called the Financial Technology Group, more accurately, Financial Technology India Limited, which gives ₹500 crore to Sonia Gandhi. Sonia Gandhi and the Vadras gratefully take the money. In the next 3 years after giving the money, FTIL, also popularly known as the NSEL scam, defrauds thousands of Indian citizens. My dear viewers, the total value of the scam is well over 5,000 crore rupees. And remember who took the money from them privately? Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Vadra, Rahul Gandhi. As the scam explodes, pressure builds on the Congress government to arrest the kingpin Jignesh Shah. One important point I need to mention to you also, viewers, is that as Sonia Gandhi took the money, the agencies, CBI, Enforcement Directorate, are investigating the NSEL scam. So can you imagine it? On the one side, you're being investigated by the CBI and the ED, and on the other side, you're giving money to Sonia Gandhi. Now, viewers, in this period, as pressure builds on Sonia Gandhi to act on the NSEL scam, the Sonia government and Sonia Gandhi herself, who took cash from Jignesh Shah, do nothing. Pressure builds, ordinary investors lose money, lives are destroyed. Sonia Gandhi does nothing. And then, 2 weeks before Narendra Modi becomes Prime Minister in 2014, just when it is absolutely clear that the Vadra Congress has lost the election, Shah is arrested. But by then it's too late. The damage is done. Today, with evidence before you that foreign contributions to Sonia's trust, hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen, are over 290 crore rupees in the 2013 to 2018 period. And more importantly, with proof that the NSEL kingpin gave cash directly to Sonia Gandhi and Antonia Maino, that Mehul Choksi also gave cash directly to Sonia Gandhi and Antonia Maino, I ask, when will Sonia and Antonia Maino explain why she compromised on every ethical rule by taking cash from scamsters repeatedly? Ladies and gentlemen, nobody can play the victim here. Remember, it's a scam. She's stuck in scam after scam after scam. And ladies and gentlemen, that's debate one, debate two this evening. Pakistan has blocked justice to Jadhav. I'll tell you the reason why they've done that. And debate number three this evening. Face off over the new CBSE guidelines, and here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on the Debate Tonight. Modi government orders high-level investigation into alleged financial irregularities of 3 Gandhi family trusts as more evidence comes up. Foreign funding and huge donations from well-known scamsters will be investigated by a special panel headed by the Special Director of the Enforcement Directorate. It doesn't end at Choksi, and China stand by for exclusive details of scamster Jignesh Shah's donations to the Sonia Run Trust. 357 days after India's victory at the ICJ, Pakistan blocks review plea of Kulbhushan Jadhav. Praise in violation of international law. ISI and Pakistan military coerced Jadhav to forego his legal rights. and massive controversy over the CBSE's change of syllabus, debating at 10:30 p.m. tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, it cannot be a coincidence that fraudsters, scamsters, fugitives who tried covering their tracks with the active support of the Sonia government donated millions to the so-called charitable trust run by the Vadra Gandhi family. Tonight, as Amit Shah walks the talk and orders a high-level investigation to look into the very dubious transactions of not one, not two, but three of these Gandhi family foundations, more links are tumbling out. Tonight, the Republic Media Network is breaking details at 9 of how one of India's biggest financial frauds, the man behind the 5,600 crore NSCL scam, also gave money to Sonia Gandhi. Let's debate.
Fraudsters, fugitives, family. In the last few days, Sonia Gandhi-run Rajiv Gandhi Foundation has come under intense public scrutiny after its questionable financial transactions came to the light. Money from the Chinese, money from ministries under UPA government, money from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund meant for flood victims, and even money from fugitives like Mehul Choksi. In the name of donations, all found its way to the accounts of the charitable trusts run by the Gandhi Vadra family. Today, as the MHA sets up an interministerial committee to coordinate investigations into violation of various legal provisions of PMLA Income Tax Act, FCRA by Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust and Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust, more skeletons are tumbling out of the closet. In the year 2011-2012, when the 5,600 crore rupee NSCL scam was being looked into by agencies, a company founded by scam mastermind and financial fraudster Jignesh Shah, Financial Technologies India Limited or FTIL, gave 50 lakh rupees to Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust. These papers are the proof.
In the year 2012, the Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust receives a 50 lakh donation from FTIL. And I have the document with me. This is the annual report of 2011-2012 of the Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust. Status of specific funds as of 31st of March 2012. Financial Technologies India Limited or FTIL. Donations received 50 lakh rupees. Balance as of 1st April 2012, 50 lakh rupees. FTIL was a company owned by Jignesh Shah. Jignesh Shah, in the same month when the balance here is reflecting in April 2012, was served a show cause notice by the UPA government. He responded to the show cause notice immediately. He was under the scanner. But for years, there was absolutely no action, no movement in the case against Jignesh Shah. Is it a coincidence that Jignesh Shah transfers 50 lakh rupees to the Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust and at the same time he's being investigated by the UPA, which, by the way, coincidentally takes no action against him?
Interestingly, the so-called donation was made in the year UPA government show-caused Jignesh Shah. In 2013, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra rented out 4.69-acre farmhouse to FTIL. In December 2018, when the link emerged, Congress defended it as normal course of business. So picture this. In 2012, one of India's biggest financial fraudster gives 50 lakh rupees to Gandhi family-run Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust. In the same year, the scamster responds to the UPA's show cause notice but faces no action. Today, Rahul Gandhi is trying to insinuate that the Modi government is going after those who can't be sold or intimidated. But as proof piles up, the nation wants to know if fraudster paid a price in the garb of donations to get favors or escape from the clutches of law under UPA government. Let's debate.
Senior Congress leader Kirip Chalia is facing off with Gaurav Bhatia on top. We have familiar faces. I'll go straight to the debate. Kirip Chalia, welcome back on my program. The last time you walked out. Today you are back on the program. It is good to see you. Let us see if you have the forbearance and the ability to take the questions this time. And Kirip Chalia, my first question to you when you're debating with Gaurav Bhatia is this. Jignesh Shah, NSCL scam, total value of scam over 5,000 crore rupees. 5,600 crore. Half a crore in a private payment to Sonia Gandhi. Kindly explain.
Oh, there is hardly anything to explain, and Gaurav will agree with me. We belong to the same profession. If there is any financial fraud or irregularity being committed, there is an agency to inquire about it.
Oh, so the
If
agency
there are any
will inquire
criminal
and you will
actions,
take the
there are
money.
agencies to
So,
take action.
Arnab, can I come now?
Can I finish? Can I finish?
Please,
you won't
please,
even allow me
please
to
go.
have a complete a sentence. I mean, I know
Please,
you are
please.
you are into an inquisition.
No, you
but
said
don't
I'll
have to
agree,
say.
so I
Gaurav,
don't
have
agree
patience,
with you,
yeah?
but
You'll
you
have
may
enough time
finish your
to go
point.
for. Okay, you don't agree, but anyway, as a very humble student of jurisprudence and law, and still a practicing lawyer, I think that these things are not discussed in television sets because we don't know which is true, which is not true. Any criminal action, any irregularities are dealt with by the government agencies, and then specific charges are made, and there are due processes to
So
deal with
just tell me one thing.
I am little
Why did she
surprised.
take money? Okay,
Why
one
so
sec.
much of publicity?
Okay,
One
now
sec.
Arnab, can I just
Kirip,
respond?
Chale, I'll try once more.
Only we say.
I'll explain 1 minute. Kirip, listen now. Okay. 5,600 crore scam, I repeat. Agency CBI ED investigating.
Why do you repeat
Thousands
that
of
amount?
people,
It is any amount. Any
because you
amount of
need to
money can be
understand
given
it
to a
better.
trust, and if
Kirip
it's wrong,
Chalia, listen to the
government has got
question,
every right
please.
to
Listen to the
action.
question. I have the papers with me. I have the evidence with me. Sonia Gandhi has been caught taking money from scamsters.
I don't have,
Now,
unfortunately.
are these
I don't
documents
have.
true?
I
Why
don't
was
have
she
as a
taking
lawyer.
money from
The opposite party
scamsters?
doesn't have anything.
Why was she taking
don't
money
know.
from
You have not shown
scamsters?
me the
And her daughter
But
was
Arnab,
renting
you are
out
not
her
the judge.
farmhouse to the
See, you are not the
scamster.
papal
Mother is
authority
taking
of an
cash from the
institution.
scamster. What the hell is going on?
Okay.
Why?
Arnab,
Arnab, you are not the papal judge of the Inquisition of the medieval age.
No, again you go personal. The question is, I am not. Okay, fine, but I'm asking
I
you.
don't think.
But why? No, okay, so here's one more thing,
I
viewers.
don't
I'll share one
have-
more
I
thing with
know.
you.
I
Chidambaram
know.
was
I
finance
know.
minister. Thank you,
I
Kirip
know.
Chalia. Thank you, Kirip Chalia. Now Gaurav will respond, but I'll share one more thing.
You are trying to advocate a personal vendetta. You are into character assassination. You are trying to victimize, and some or other, and encourage the
These are government documents.
Finish up
These are public
Okay, now
documents.
Arnab,
To
can I
all
respond
kinds
to
of
Kiranji?
conspiracies.
Why did Sonia take the money from a scamster?
Attentively, just the way I
The
was
only
hearing.
answer tonight is I am carrying out personal vendetta on Antonia
That is your
Maino. No.
assumption. That is your
Why did
assumption. You are
Antonia
nobody to
Maino
judge.
take the money?
You are nobody to judge. You
No,
are
no, but
just-
why did
you are
Antonia
just
Maino
a
take the
TV
money
show.
from the scamster?
Nobody has said. If somebody has taken money, if you have taken some money, there are forums, there are processes through which.
But the agencies are investigating
No,
and you're
okay,
taking the money.
Who am I to
All
judge?
right, response. Gaurav Bhatia.
Let them complete. Let them
Arnab,
complete
now
the
Kiranji,
investigation.
I hope
please.
you listen.
Don't go on a vendetta.
First of all, I
Don't go on
completely
character
disagree with
assassination.
you, and I'll give
Okay.
you the reason why we disagree. India as a country disagrees with you. First of all, it's a question of property and propriety. The Gandhi Parivar has been playing with the issue of national security. They've been jeopardizing our national security. And this is Rajiv Gandhi Corruption
That
Trust.
is your opinion. That is not my opinion.
Please, Kiranji.
Both
Kiranji,
louder, please.
अच्छा
Thank
नहीं
you.
लगता. Please, why are you speaking in between? You're a very learned man. I waited for my turn. आप मेरी बात सुनिए, फिर जवाब दीजिएगा. इतना मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हैं? So, Rajiv Gandhi Corruption Trust is a den of all
Gum hai, मैं
illegal
बताऊंगा.
activity. You know, it's a group of dacoits who came together to loot our country.
True.
And what are the substantial questions we are raising? Arnab,
true.
the first question is a quid pro quo. A 90 lakh donation from China, and then the trade deficit of our country went up by 35 times. Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi need to show the permission by which they were entitled to take funds from the Chinese government. Second, conflict of interest. You instruct the Prime Minister, who you were controlling the then Prime Minister through a remote control, and he donates to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. And who are the members of the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation? It is Antonia Maino, it is Rahul Vinci,
Antonia Maino.
and then इन सारे गुंडों में रजिया फंस गई. रजिया कौन है हम जानते हैं, हमारे आदरणीय मनमोहन सिंह जी. इन गुंडों ने, लुटेरों ने लूटा. I will ask basic questions, sir. Please tell me, why should the investigation not take place when there is prima facie case against the Gandhi Parivar? Second, why is it that every act of corruption leads to the Gandhi Parivar? Kitna lootenge is desh ko?
Why is she so
And
greedy?
third, when you say political vendetta
May I?
is easier to allege
May I
and
answer?
very difficult to prove.
May I
In the
answer?
court, National Herald case also, you said the same thing. The court did not interfere, and Antonia Mino and Rahul Vinci both are out on bail on corruption charges.
there is a quid
so,
pro
Arnab,
quo.
today the nation wants to know why Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi.
See,
cannot come out
Gaurav,
and
being on
explain
bail
these
doesn't mean that some decisions have been given here. Gaurav,
नहीं कौन से यार
Taking bail
यार
doesn't
कैसी
mean
बात
that
कर रहे हो
somebody
लूट
is-
के हमारे
somebody is
देश को यार कैसी बात करते हो यार 90 लाख रुपए जाकिर नाइक से 50
नहीं,
लाख
यार,
रुपए
वो तो
लिए
आपका
यार
बात है ना, वो
कैसी
आपका
बात
बात है।
करते हो
But
प्राइम
you
मिनिस्टर
are a
ने
lawyer.
से लूटा है यार
Gaurav, you are a
गरीबों
lawyer.
का रुपया था यार
Gaurav,
कैसी बात करते हो यार
Gaurav, my simple question.
यार
My
आप
simple
ऐसी बात
question
मत
is-
करो
my simple question is,
गुंडों के
does-
बीच में
you are a
आप भी
lawyer.
फंस गए मैं बता
You are
रहा
a
हूँ
lawyer,
आप
you are a
गरीब
lawyer,
अच्छे
Gaurav.
इंसान हो
Gaurav, talk
आप
like a
कैसे
lawyer,
कैसी
yaar.
बात
Don't
कर रहे हो?
talk like a
हमारा
political
रुपया
manipulator. You are a
है
lawyer.
जी।
I am
Okay,
asking you.
okay,
I am asking
second-
you a simple question.
Second, okay, thank you for your simple
If
question. I
somebody
have
is
a
on
question
bail,
to
does it mean that she
Surendra
is not
Chauhan. I'm
guilty?
opening the debate right now, gentlemen. We're opening the debate. Viewers, I'll explain
Yes,
what was
you must.
going on. Anand and Surendra Chauhan on the
Don't
debate. See, you are
pronounce
all
her
free to
guilty
come on the...
because
Okay,
somebody
okay,
is
watch.
guilty.
Ishkaran and Surendra Chauhan. Listen to me, gentlemen. Listen to me, gentlemen. Let me explain this. Viewers, I feel very ashamed to say this, that we have had such a government in our country. The corruption stinks many years later. Manmohan Singh, the Prime Minister of the most corrupt government in the history of independent India. In UPA 1, Surendra Chauhan, and here's the evidence to you.
Sorry to say,
Allow me to complete my
Sorry
assertions.
to say, Arnab Goswami, you are defaming a prime minister, a very honest prime minister of the nation.
Well, drag
10
me
years,
to
10
court
years, Manmohan
and I
Singh
will put
brought
questions to
Indian
Manmohan
economy
Singh
on track.
and put him in the
Indian
witness
economy on
box. He
track.
will have to answer my
You are-
questions.
you are talking
He can
slanted.
take
You have a
sue me
habit-
for
you
defamation
have a habit
and I
to
will
say
ask
you
him
slanted
questions
about-
as a citizen of
Sorry.
India with him in the witness
Sorry.
box. You don't have to fight his defamation case. Now listen to me. I repeat, one of the most corrupt prime ministers, the weakest prime ministers in the history of independent India. The facts here are this. The facts here are this. Surendra Chauhan, during UPA 1,
You are accusing a former prime minister.
during UPA 1,
You are accusing a former
during
prime
UPA
minister.
1, Chidambaram was the finance minister. As finance minister,
All right.
allow me to complete my point. You will be hammer-blowed after this. As finance minister,
Go ahead.
an exemption was
ahead.
granted Anand Ranganathan to NSEL through a notification. The precise date of the
Yes.
notification being the 5th of June 2007. The exemption was from complying with the provisions of the Forward Contracts Regulation Act, which had a huge upside in terms of money making for Jignesh Shah. That was in 2007. It was promptly followed by paying Sonia Gandhi privately. Now you take an action in government that benefits a scamster, you privately give money to the finance minister's ultimate boss,
the
and then
government
agencies
took
like
6
the ED,
years.
which are answerable to the same finance minister, will investigate you.
No,
What the hell is
Mr.
going
Chauhan,
on? What you don't want me to ask questions,
The
right?
question's been asked of
Anand,
me.
Anand.
Anand Ranganathan.
Can I-
Anand Ranganathan,
Open debate.
please Allow me. Anand, allow me.
Mr.
Anand,
Mr.
allow me.
Chauhan, you want to
Anand,
go
allow
first?
me. Allow me.
You want to go first?
Anand Ranganathan, allow
Kirip
me.
You want
Chalia,
to go
don't
first,
shout
Mr.
at me.
Chauhan?
Kirip
Yes, I
Chalia,
want to
let the
go
debate
first.
carry on
Yes,
democratically.
I want to go first.
He is.
Now, only thing is, the Home Minister has ordered for an inquiry, inter-ministerial inquiry, and headed by a special director ED. Now, that inquiry has nothing to do with any kind of investigation, just an inquiry. ED can
That's some
only
technical
conduct an
argument.
inquiry
It doesn't
if
make any sense to
FIR
me.
is there. It is the law of the land.
No.
It is the law of the land. Enforcement Directorate cannot carry
Anand,
out
okay, thanks
any
very much.
independent inquiry
Yeah.
unless there is an FIR existence. Any FIR. So far, no accusation, no FIR is there against Rajiv Gandhi
Right.
Foundation.
There will be.
Now you people
Anand.
have a habit to accuse
There should be. Anand.
Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and their
By the
family.
grace of
there an
God Almighty, it will be.
Vendetta.
Anand.
It's an intimidation.
Thank you.
And the
Anand.
Congress party as well as
Thank
the
you,
leaders
Surendra,
of
repeating
Congress
yourself,
are not
Anand.
going to intimidate
Yes,
it.
thank you, Mr. Chauhan. Please. Yes,
Go ahead.
Arnab, as far as Congress is concerned, normally for every scam there is a foundation. But यहाँ तो foundation ही scam निकली. You know, since the day that it started, let me recount to you
are wrong.
this quote-unquote glorious past. Now, Mr. Chauhan, did I interrupt you? Did I interrupt you? Please, we have to have some semblance of politeness
All
here
right.
on this discussion.
Go ahead.
I did not
Go ahead.
interrupt you at all. I was
All
listening
right,
to
all
your
right.
diatribe.
Agreed,
So
sir.
please, listen to my logic.
Agreed.
Thank you.
Agreed.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. Arnab, from the day that it started, this so-called honest Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, who had just become the first, his first portfolio as a finance minister, in his first very budget, he sanctioned 100 crores for Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. And then you should read the book called Caveat by the editor of the Statesman, Mr. Kushro Irani. There he categorically states that the Calcutta electricity supply undertaking was blackmailed to the tune of 75 lakhs to give donation to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. And the 3rd September Statesman 1995 said that Sonia Gandhi procured through the auspices of the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation a building worth 100 crores.
Shame,
The
Kirip
first
Chalia,
Chief
shame,
Information
shame.
Commissioner was also the
Shame.
secretary of Rajiv Gandhi Foundation.
Shame.
And then in 2010, the CIC passed that RTI, the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation would be exempt from RTI. The Rajiv Gandhi Foundation was exempt from the examination by the CAG, even though it was getting huge sums of money from government bodies and institutions. Do you know that the land on which our RGF stands was given to it on lease free by the Congress Ministry of Urban Development? Do you know that all these scamsters were paying money to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation for whatever quid pro quo you may say?
Now,
The
Suresh-
fact of the matter is, when you have this much concrete facts and evidence before you, imagine if BJP's foundation was doing all this. Mr. Chauhan would have been the first one shouting that we need an investigation. Jail mein dalo inko, sabko jail mein dalo. Now he is absolutely quiet.
I'll tell you one more thing, which only people who have earned a living honestly will understand, Anand, like you and me. All of us who have worked our way up through the system, worked hard and believe in merit, we will understand. But not these Vadras who disputably may have earned an honest rupee in their life. My question is this: why the love for this scamster? Ishkaran is on the debate. Somehow, a great attachment between the scamster and the Vadras. Sonia Gandhi takes cash. Chidambaram helps them in terms of government policy. And Priyanka Vadra says, please rent out my farmhouse. He rents out Priyanka Vadra's farmhouse. He gives money to Priyanka Vadra's mother, Antonia Maino. And he gets help in government regulation from Chidambaram. All of this is documented. I mean, you know, if for nothing else, Antonia Maino and family should walk to a police station tonight and demand that they be interrogated. I hope the BJP government gathers the courage to do that. Ishkaran, different modes of dealing with the scamster are on test here. Ishkaran.
It's a question to me, please let me
You
answer.
procedure.
Arnab, there used to be a practice in Italy in medieval times where you could pay money and get rid of your sins. All your sins would be forgiven if you paid money. I think that practice of Italy has been brought to India, where you can commit any sin, any corruption. You can be a Zakir Naik who is doing conversion activities. You can be a fraudster running a bank. You can be running a stock exchange crime. You can be endangering India's national security like China does. You could be threatening the territory of India, but all your sins will get washed if you donate to the appropriate foundation, in this case, the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. So this medieval practice of Italy, which has come to India, needs to be wiped away from India, and that can be only wiped away if there is a proper FIR and jailing of the people selling these indulgences.
Yeah, Kirip Chalia, You know, let me give you some more examples out here. I continue to give you more examples. You're not being able to answer and it's looking bad, isn't it, Savio?
Two submissions
Kirip
and
not
one
being
question.
able to answer one question
Two
tonight.
submissions and one small question.
No, no.
You think Kirit will be able to
Arnab,
answer?
Arnab, two submissions
Arnab,
and one question from me.
Yeah, yeah.
Kirit will never be able to answer.
Please.
Savio is on the debate with
Related to
Kirit.
the Congress.
One question.
Yeah.
Kirit will never be able to
Arnab,
answer
just
related
two
to
submissions
Congress.
and one question.
If you investigate every
Arnab,
single scam in
pray-
India,
No, no, my question to you
will
is,
find the
I pray
hand
against
of
your
Congress.
judgment.
my question here
allow
is,
me
you
two submissions
investigate
and one
my
small question.
scam
my
in
only
India,
question is that you see,
undoubtedly there will be the
I
hand
have,
of
I have,
Congress.
I have a very specific second point to make.
Plead, Arnab, I plead.
One minute.
Two
Don't do
submissions,
this.
one question.
I have a
Small,
very
short,
specific
short
second point to make.
submissions. Please.
2G linked Unitech. Now,
If
please
you
pay
favor
close
me, one
attention to my
two
next
submissions,
point,
one
Kirip
small
Chalia.
question.
2G linked Unitech gives the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation large amounts of money in 2007, 2008 and 2008, 2009. Interestingly, this is the exact period when the 2G allocations were being made. Let me repeat, 2G linked Unitech gives large amount of money to Sonia's trust in 2007, 2008 and 2008, 2009. This is the exact period when the 2G allocations were being made. NSCL, which
doesn't
gets
have an
help from
answer.
Chidambaram. No, he's silent. He won't answer this. Savio, will he answer the question?
No, he won't.
Can
He won't, he won't, he won't. I know he won't.
I want to
He's turning out
submit.
to
I know he won't. He can't.
He's turning out to be
Two submissions.
a
He can't
clown
answer.
on
Two
television
submissions.
who cannot accept
I said
the
two
fact
submissions
that
and
Congress
one question. You
is
are not
nothing
allowing
but
me.
a bunch of scamsters.
Two submissions.
Mr. Chalia,
I'm pleading.
accept the fact that Congress
I
is
am
nothing
seeking
but a
mercy from
bunch of
Arnab.
scamsters.
Two submissions.
Every single scam
Just
is
two
linked to
submissions
Congress.
and one question,
Every
please,
single
from this
scam is linked to
inquisition.
Congress. Even in
From
the
this
Goa mining scam, you have the hand of Congress.
From this bias.
Even in the
from
Goa
this
mining
bias,
scam, you have the
despotic-
hand of Congress.
From this
Every
bias
single
and
scam
despotic-
in India is linked to Congress. Mr.
From
Chalia,
this bias
don't make
and
a fool out of
despotic
yourself for
court.
national
Two submissions and
Accept
one
the
very
truth.
small question.
The people are looking at
Arnab,
you.
can you-
Sonia
can you-
Gandhi
can you
is
be
a
that-
scamstress. Rahul Gandhi is a scamster.
Arnab, can you be that
the whole
generous?
family needs to
Can
be
you be
probed.
that generous?
An FIR
Two
needs to be
submissions,
filed against
one
them.
question.
They are scamsters. They do not require a place in India. Their only place is in a jail. That is where Sonia Gandhi has to be. That is where Rahul Gandhi has to be. And that is where Priyanka
Can
Vadra
I
has to be.
make two
And guess
humble
what?
submissions
They will
before
be.
the members of the
They will
Inquisition?
be. The law will
honorable
catch up.
members of the
The law
medieval
will catch
Inquisition.
up against the Gandhis.
Can I make two
The law will
submissions
catch
and one
up against the
question?
Gandhis.
Yeah,
The
go on,
courts
go
will
on.
catch up against the
Let him make
Gandhis,
his two
and they
submissions
will
and
be
one
thrown in
question,
jail.
and Gaurav will
Can
respond
I
on the
make
other
two
side. Thank you.
submissions?
Yeah, go on, go on.
One
go on.
question.
And Abhishek
Small
is also
question.
listening keenly.
Yes.
Feel free to
Thank
come
you
in,
so much.
Abhishek. Yeah.
The first submission.
Go on.
Just,
I have to
just
make 2
my
points, Arnab.
humble submission number one is whatever has happened.
Two interjections, Arnab, if I can be allowed.
Happened during the democratically elected government of the Congress party.
No,
If
so
there is
a
anything wrong,
democratically
let there be
elected government
investigation,
can
let there be
divert the
criminal
funds of
actions.
Prime Minister
It's a big-
Relief Fund
Number one.
to a
Number
private
one.
foundation
Number one.
controlled by
Number
the
two.
Gandhi Parivar. Are
Number
you
two.
saying
Second
that?
submission. Second submission.
Have you read the
Second
objectives
submission.
of the Prime Minister
Second
Relief
submission
Fund?
is-
No, Kiritji, please answer me.
Now,
have you read the
Gaurav,
objectives
I'm
of the
I'm
Prime
seeking
Minister
your
Relief
mercy,
Fund?
yaar.
It is
Just
meant
allow me to
be
make the
used
second
when
submission
there is
out
a
of at
natural
least felicitate
calamity
that.
for the people of the
My
country.
goodness.
आप क्या ये कह रहे हैं गांधी परिवार इतना
No, you
गरीब
not allow
है
me.
कि
You
उनको
not allow
प्राइम
me.
मिनिस्टर
I
रिलीफ फंड की
pleaded.
मदद
I
लेने की
pleaded.
जरूरत पड़ी
You're not
क्या
allowing me
बोल
to
रहे
make
हैं?
the second submission and a small question.
No. First you answer my
Second
question.
submission and one
Prime
question
Minister
out of-
Relief Fund
Will you intervene?
is to be used for
Will
people
you
of the
intervene?
country.
Allow me to make the second submission.
Not for
The second
thugs of
submission,
Hindustan.
please.
Not
But
for
the thing is
looters.
The second
Not for
submission,
dacoits.
please. The-
Do you know the personal
Second
worth of Rahul
submission.
Gandhi
No.
and Sonia Gandhi?
No.
Declared net worth is 25 crore.
Okay.
Arnab, their affidavit say their combined net worth.
Okay, the
declared.
head of the
If it is
Inquisition
not
doesn't
undeclared
give me
worth
any
would be
chance even
thousands
to
of
raise my
crore.
voice.
But declared worth is 25
Gaurav,
crore.
Allow me a
Why
small
were they
Gaurav.
taking money from the Prime
And a
Minister
small
Relief Fund?
Gaurav,
Yes.
Gaurav, you are a lawyer. You understand that these trusts and foundations are made so as to not show your actual worth in your affidavit in the election, you know. But I have to make two quick points, Arnab. You know, one is Arnab. You
make your point to Kirip Chalia directly.
Ages ago, you had broken a story. Arnab, you had broken a story about Office of Profit scam. It was a scam after which Sonia Gandhi had to resign, you know. Now, you see a kind of a quid pro quo with the kind of people who are involved. Zakir Naik, Jignesh Shah, Mehul Choksi, Rana Kapoor, everyone is now fighting a legal battle where they are accused of some fraud or the other. Many of them are in jail or outside the country running from the machinery of law. So there was definitely an element of quid pro quo. That is fact. That is something that is being investigated. I have to make one more point. One more point which is very important because it's a political debate or no, and that is the sense of entitlement that the Gandhi family has really shown. Rahul Gandhi tweets after 7 hours saying that this intimidatory tactic won't work. There are facts which are being investigated. This is not intimidation. We saw how in the case of Lodi Estate Bungalow, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said that she is the granddaughter of Indira Gandhi. Now, what has that to do with the fact that SPG withdrawal has happened and because of which a certain process has to be followed? Anand mentioned about Rajiv Gandhi Foundation occupying a property worth hundreds of crores of rupees. I mean, the kind of sense of entitlement during the UP era, it seems the nation had become a fief
because otherwise, Abhishek,
which has to be discussed, debated, and let the Congress party answer.
Kirip, you answer and you make your submissions and questions, whatever you want.
Can I please ask a very simple...
My second submission...
Let Kirip make his point after that.
Can I ask a very simple question?
Very humble submission. Let me make my second submission. That in this present inquisition, all kinds of wild allegations are being made.
Okay, Mr.
Let them be proved and let the process of law take care of it.
No,
that is my only suggestion. The third is the question.
Please advise this to the minor
Can I ask the question? No. Allow me to finish the small question. There is a small question.
Why can't the Gandhi Parivar be as wise as
that is what I'm... That is my third question. My third question, Bhatia, if you allow me. Bhatia, you are a lawyer, yeah. You should allow the other person to... You are a just man, yeah. You are a just man. You are not allowing me to be... You are not allowing me my voice.
You come out and you say that the probe must be done. Why is it...
You are not allowing me to raise my only simple question. One simple question. Arnab, I seek your intervention.
Yeah.
Your biased intervention, even if it is against your wish.
Yeah.
My only humble question is, and a very simple question. Now, Mrs. Gandhi has almost retired from active politics. She was giving up the presidency. Rahul Gandhi, according to you, has almost failed.
She
BJP is in the top of...
Imagine a sitting working president.
Retired president.
He says, Anand, Abhishek, he says, Antonia Maino is retired and hence don't investigate all this. I mean, it was crazy. Abhishek, this is completely right. It was crazy. Never heard something like this before.
Why are you so obsessed with Congress?
I am not. I'll tell you one thing. Now you spoke. You made your 2 points and 1 question, and now I'll give you 1 answer in turn. I am not obsessed. I am not obsessed with Antonia Maino. I am obsessed about cleaning out scamsters from India. Antonia Maino would not have been able to do this in the country of her origin, which is rightfully Italy. Antonia Maino would not be able to get away with this in Italy. Do you understand that? Now let us proceed. My question is, Vikas Gupta and Tausif Ahmed Khan have not come into the debate. Vikas Gupta and Tausif, feel free to come in. I also want to bring in Jane Gupta, former Executive Director of the Securities and Exchange Board of India and Managing Director of Stakeholder Empowerment Service. Jane Gupta, you're a very experienced man in the financial markets.
Intimidated Congress. They will not be intimidated.
I'm not. Thank you, Kirip. Jane Gupta, my question to you is, could you please give our viewers a sense of what the NSCL scam was about and what disservice Jignesh Shah, in the present context we talk about giving money to Sonia Gandhi, did to investors' faith? Can you just give us a sense of that, please?
See, Arnav, I would not be able to give anything specific to the case because I am also party to FIR which has been filed by CBI against me. So I will not be able to speak specifically on that issue. But I would always say that as sunlight is the best disinfectant, the transparency is also the best disinfectant. So if there is a transparency, none of these things will issue. Now, when the Congress is saying it is a vendetta, I don't know why it is vendetta if they are 100% in right. Let the investigation take place and something will come out. Because if nothing is wrong, it is not there. But I would tell you one thing, that somehow the dates do not match. Because when you say that permission was given in 2007 for forward contract and the money came in 2012 or 13, so there was a gap of 6-7 years. But I would again and again say that when you are in public life, your conduct has to be above board.
Sir, may I counter you? May I counter you a bit? Sir, I'm sorry to counter you. You have pointed out, you have said that I'm factually wrong on dates. Sir,
no,
I have many faults, but I have an elephantine memory. Let me tell you this, sir, that in October 2008, if I am not mistaken, the spot trading was started by National Spot Exchange Limited, NSCL. The money given to Sonia Gandhi was in 2011. In May 2012, the Consumer Affairs Ministry gave NSCL a show cause notice saying there are violations of contract law. And there was no action till May 7th, 2014. I remember the dates accurately, sir. The last round of campaigning was going on. Narendra Modi had finished the last round of campaigning on May 6th, 2014. May 7th, 2014, it was clear that Modi is going to be the next Prime Minister of India. May 16th, 2014, the election results came out. Around May 23rd or 24th, Narendra Modi was sworn in as Prime Minister of India. And on May 7th, 2014, the Mumbai police finally arrested Jignesh Shah when it was clear that Sonia Gandhi is going to be kicked out of power, which means that there was some political protection being given to... No, sir, please let me complete this. And everyone's on. You understand the point I'm making, Anand? Some political protection was being given to Jignesh Shah when it was clear that Chidambaram, Sonia Gandhi, Manmohan Singh were all being booted out. Then Jignesh Shah was arrested by the Mumbai police, which knew that in 2 weeks Modi is going to be Prime Minister of India. And now I have evidence before you that Sonia Gandhi took money in 2011. I have the date, I can give you the check number.
Interesting point.
No, Tausif, there's not...
Very interesting point. You're talking about 2014.
Arnab, now please can I come in?
Prime Minister Narendra Modi
This is a very important
took the
point you have made.
aeroplane of Adani. Narendra Modi for his election purposes.
I have given you all the...
purpose flew in Adani aeroplane.
But I have given the evidence on the dates.
Have been handed over to Adani.
My viewers have seen me present the dates.
Have been handed over to Adani.
I am telling you one thing.
Go on, Mr. Gupta, please. Mr. Gupta. Yeah, Mr. Gupta. Mr. Gupta is making a point. Tausif, listen to Mr. Gupta. Mr. Gupta and Kirip, yeah, please. Mr. Gupta and Kirip Chalia, please. Mr. Gupta and Vikas are on the debate right now. Thank you, Mr. Gupta. Please continue. Because he was on an important point when I interrupted him. Please.
My only point was...
Let me just make one quick point.
No, let Mr. Gupta complete, Vikas. After that, you intervene, please. Thank you so much. Thank you.
My only point was that permission was given in 2008, whereas money transaction took place in 11, and after that, whatever happened, you have very clearly elaborated that after the money came in, there was a delay or there was a reluctance.
Sir, tell me, since you know about this matter, Mr. Gupta, tell me today. And Mr. Gupta, you and I both live in Mumbai. Yeah. Is it not true that from 2011, 12, 13, 14, there were people crying on the streets saying, I lost all my money in the NSCL scam. Please do something. Okay. Now, is it not true that instead of arresting Jignesh Shah, everybody else from the company was arrested? October, Amit Mukherjee of the company was arrested, right? Then their former MD was arrested. everybody was arrested but not Jignesh Shah. Even when in December, the regulator FMC said that Jignesh Shah is unfit to run any exchanges and ordered FTIL to reduce its stake in MCX from 26% to 2%. People were shouting on the streets, get the scamster, but nothing happened to him. Why was he without political protection? Is this possible? Mr. Gupta, tell me.
I totally agree with you. I am not disputing this.
Amazing question.
I am in 100% agreement with you that the agency did not work. But my only other thing is this.
Sir, I tell you one thing. Sir, I tell you one thing. Today I will really speak up on this. Let me tell you one thing, sir. And Abhishek, please note the dates I put out here, viewers. The election campaign started in January 2014, effectively. Everyone saw it. By March, the election campaign was peaking. The initial election survey report says Narendra Modi, BJP is going to be sworn in. Narendra Modi has a good chance of being Prime Minister. At that point of time, March end 2014, the CBI questioned Jignesh Shah for the first time, which means even the agency started realizing that our political masters will not defend us. There's going to be a change in power. Sonia is going to go. Let's finally go after Jignesh Shah. But have you ever thought, Mr. Shah, what happened? How many people's lives got destroyed, Vikas? How many people lost all their money? Sonia Gandhi got money. What happened to other people?
5,000 crore rupees.
Tell me, Vikas.
Arnab,
Vikas, tell me.
allegation goes there for 5,600 crore for 50 lakhs. 5,600 crore was sacrificed. I don't agree with you because if you
don't
go into
agree
the
with
details of this.
How do you not agree? Okay, you tell Mr. Shah why you don't agree. Don't tell me. No, you tell Mr. Shah why you don't agree.
Attribute. No.
Why don't you agree?
And more importantly,
why don't you agree? You can't say I don't agree. You have to substantiate it.
Getting what money? In today's context, electoral bond is the biggest fraud in this country which is taking place.
Answer the question.
Electoral bonds,
I'm
you
sorry.
will not know
Mr. Shah, please enlighten him.
Janata Party would receive money.
Anand is also on the debate. No, everyone's on. No. Anand rebutting.
Yes.
Anand rebutting. Go on, Anand.
I beg of you. Yes, Arnab. Arnab, can I please ask Mr. Kirit, who's been very vociferous and defending the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, can I please ask him one question with your permission? One small question.
On. Yes, please.
Yeah, Mr. Kirit, you look like a very honest man, and I really respect you. And you're a lawyer. So I want to ask you one simple question. Would you please answer it, Mr. Kirit? I beg of you.
Kirit.
Yes, please. Go. What is the question?
Mr. Kirit, imagine you had a foundation. Mr. Kirit, imagine you had a foundation. Would you object to the CAG going through your files even though you were receiving money from the government organizations and the government ministries? Would you object to an RTI application on your foundation? Simple question, sir.
See, I'll tell you, there are different kinds of organizations which are given this kind of privilege, like Prime Minister's My Care thing. That is also exempt from this. If there is anything illegal there, then their law is there to take action. Like some other gentleman was referring to the delay.
I asked you a simple question, Mr. Kirit. If you had a foundation, would you object to a CAG coming in?
No, I said this
if you were getting money from the government bodies?
I may not.
It's a simple question.
If I don't have a foundation, but if I have that, if I'm given that exemption,
why would you object to a CAG audit?
Follow up from Gaurav Bhatia, please, Gaurav Bhatia.
He will not come.
Follow up from Gaurav Bhatia now, Mr. Chalia. Follow up from Gaurav Bhatia from Delhi. Gaurav Bhatia has a follow up.
Yes. So, Kiritji, I just want to say you are backing on a very tough wicket tonight.
When the finance minister,
He just got a working president of the Congress retired.
Doing some
it
welfare
can
jobs.
only happen in the Congress. But my basic question is, there is another instance of a quid pro quo. That is the GVK. the privatization of the airports.
No, why are you trying to? Why
GVK
this switch
also
something? Why
benefited,
this
and there
switch
is a
something
probe
now?
against GVK
Why so
also.
desperate? Why this desperate switch
Also, another
something now?
example is how the
Madam,
Gandhis
you
tried
will know it better. You are a
Who's
BJP
responsible
strategist.
for
Why
IL&F
this
scam?
point being something
2020
now?
schemes.
Have them
You know, when Narendra Modi
important.
was to be sworn as the Prime Minister of the country, just 1 week before that, Mehul Choksi and Neerav Modi's company was announced in
very bright future for Rahul Gandhi.
The RBI doing all these years.
Country. Such
We
is
are
the
puzzled.
complicity
No, we are
of the
encouraged.
Gandhi Parivar, and there is no point
Even-
shouting.
you know,
Let me tell you, Kiranji, this
I as a
feeling, the
congressman
sense
today,
of entitlement that
it has,
you people have,
thousands and
that
lakhs of
nobody can
Congress
question
workers
the
feel
Gandhi
that
Parivar.
Congress is
The
getting
right
regenerated
place for the
because
Gandhi
BJP is
Parivar
scared.
is behind
They are
bars.
a weak
There is
country.
85 lakh
They are
crore
going in a
stacked
vendetta.
abroad. What have you
They want
done
to
for
put
that?
Rahul
Rahul
Gandhi is
Gandhi
out on bail.
They want to
Robert
put
Vadra is
Rahul
being
Gandhi.
interrogated by
You will do
the
nothing
ED.
against corruption.
You know,
They
can we find another family who's so corrupt?
Persecuting all congressmen.
You know,
They are
it's so
reducing
Mr. Chalia, control yourself. Just to bring in Ishkaran and Savio in the last 2 minutes of this debate, Abhishek, I think Abhishek made a very important point. You are known by the company you keep. Abhishek's point was, the company for Sonia Gandhi, Antonia Maino and Priyanka Vadra is Communist Party of China, they took money. Mehul Choksi, they took money. Chinese Embassy, they took money. NSCL scam accused, they took money. By the way, I missed out. Zakir Naik, they took money. Zakir Naik, Aishkaran. They took money. Now, if they prove they did not take money, I will carry it on the channel.
Illegal action should be taken.
Ishkaran, Abhishek, yeah, everyone, yeah.
Rahul Gandhi today tweeted.
I think it was a very smart way of creating a platform.
Let Ishkaran complete and then you come in, Abhishek. Yeah,
Chamber.
Complete my point. Let me please complete my point. Give me
yeah, Ishkaran audio.
Today, Rahul Gandhi tweeted, "Har kisi ka price nahi hota." The sad reality is, even your own father's painting by an iconic painter has a price, and the price was 2 crore rupees, for which you sell your father's painting to a person accused of all sorts of scams. So these people who were making money left, right, and center, including, I'm not getting into the morality of it or the psychology of selling their father's painting, that's for them to decide. But the reality is, money was everywhere by every method possible.
Point taken.
And I give benefit to all these people.
Narendra Modi was for election campaign. Mr. Narendra Modi was flying on Adani aeroplane.
Or no,
I don't think you're prepared on this. Abhishek.
All these foundations and trusts.
Yeah.
He handed over 5 airports
all these foundations
to Adani
and trusts.
Enterprises.
It seems
Why
this
were
was a
the
very
5 airports
smart
handed
way
over
of
to Adani
creating platforms,
Enterprises?
ante-chamber, if you
All
will,
these
of the
5
government,
airports are
where funds could be
profit-making entities of the
channelized,
government.
and as a
Why
quid
will
pro
the
quo,
government deprive
policies could
itself
be
of money
influenced. Now
and
that's
allow
very
it to go
serious.
to
A foreign
Adani's
policy
pocket?
could be influenced in the case of China. Corruption cases could be influenced in the case of the likes of Jignesh Shah, and in the case of the likes of Yes Bank, their increase in wealth could be facilitated by way of this quid pro quo. So in a way, it was a smart platform created, all these trusts and foundations to hoodwink the law, and that's what this new committee that has been set up to carry out the investigation would unravel.
Yeah, I'd end with one bit of information coming in that I'm told that prima facie initial investigations by the Enforcement Directorate have shown that a whopping amount of 293 viewers, please don't get shocked, 293.33 crore rupees. Yes, Kirip Chalia? 293.33 crore rupees was received by the Vadra Gandhi Trust in foreign contributions alone between 2013-14 and 2018-19. This money was being pumped in for Sonia Gandhi's trust. Ladies and gentlemen, take a short break, and on the other side, the India-Pakistan debate on Kulbhushan Jadhav. Fresh evidence with me tonight.